Hi guys, this is Avinash and welcome to AVI Fitness with yet another fitness video. Now this video is all about tips for fat loss. Now many of my clients have been asking me, sir, what we can do to actually do some quick fat loss. What we can do is to get rid of this belly fat. What we can do is to get rid of these love handles. Sorry, that's my dog which is making some noise. So ignore that. So cutting all the things up now, I'll be giving you some major points and some major tips that you can do to actually lose fat or lose weight. Now these two are both different things, but I'll be talking about losing fat right now. So number one, replace ghee or saturated fats with unsaturated fats. Now there are two kind of fats, guys. I'll be making a separate video for these what are good fats and what are bad fats. But trust me, fats are really essential in your diet, and you must contain that in your diet. So what you will be focusing on is the unsaturated fats like olive oil and bran oil and pomace oil. These have unsaturated fatty acids in them. So replace saturated fats with the unsaturated fats. Now the point is adding fibers to your diet. Now guys, fiber plays a very important role. Fiber actually plays a very important role in the digestive system, in your bowel system. So more fibers and more green vegetables you will be adding in your system or in your food, like broccoli, asparagus, beans, spinach is a must thing. As you can if you remember the Popeye's cartoon, he used to take a can of spinach and biceps used to go like mad, man. So you have to add some green vegetables in your diet so that your bowel system and your digestive system stays clean and the food gets completely digested. Now the third point is cut on some sugar and some sodium from your diet. Now whenever you go to the supermarket or whenever you go to buy some products like salt and any of the condiments or any of the spice sauces, just look at the amount of the sodium in it. So approximate value that you should be aiming and that FDA has approved for the daily sodium intake is 2400 mg. So if you are dividing like your meals in 6 or 7 or whatever amount you are dividing, just make sure that you sprinkle a little bit of salt in it. That's it. Replace salt with black pepper. Black pepper is actually a really great substitute for salt, and you can actually also squeeze half of a lemon to add some tanginess in it. So that will actually give the decrease the amount of sodium intake in your body, whatever you must be taking in all throughout the day. Now talking about the sugars. Sugar is really dangerous, guys, especially because it gives you an insulin spike and it can actually make you really fatty. Like it actually stores the fat inside your body. They are very stubborn fat, so it's very difficult to get rid of them from the portions like belly and the lower back. So replacing sugar by some sugar substitutes like stevia leaves and stevia powder, which is the artificial the natural substitute of the sugar sweetness, or you can actually have a sugar free as well instead of that. So replacing sugar by some sweeteners like stevia leaves and sugar free, and cutting down your sodium, squeezing lemons in your food, and substituting more by black pepper instead of salt is the third point. Now coming up to the fourth point, guys, you must add protein in your diet. Now many of the dietitians which make the diet charts for you, they actually advise you that you should be having like 5 to 6 egg whites in the morning and 5 to 6 egg whites in the evening snack time, and you should be having like boiled food and everything. Guys, I will be advising you that do not go straightly to the boiled food. Boiled food is the last stage that actually the bodybuilders actually do before the competition, because they have to take care of their sodium level much more. So not adding any type of condiments or any type of sausages in their food is the reason why they actually take the boiled food. So you can have your rotis, you can have your rice as well, but there is a certain time, that is after 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. that you should be avoiding to have the carbs in your diet. So we'll be talking about that later in a separate video. Coming back to the point is, you should be adding more protein in your diet. Now protein will actually help to boost your metabolism and to enter into your fat burning mode. So now the fifth point, guys, drink a lot of water. See, approximately I am 78 kg, so I am having approximately about 4 to 5 liters just to maintain my body level. Because as you guys must know that our body is actually approximately 70-75% of water. So if you are not giving the water to your body, what it will do that whatever the small amount of water you are actually giving to your body, it will hold up. So when you get into a fat loss program or a weight loss program, you never know that whatever you are losing is water, weight or fat. So the good thing is, the good practice is that keep pushing the water in your body like 5 to 6 liters. I know it's very difficult, but trust me guys, once you will get used to it, just aim for 1 liter bottle and just aim it to finish like for every 2 hours. Just keep taking sips of it, like 1 sip and 2 sip, and it's gone completely. So it will push the extra water in the form of urine from your body, and you will definitely feel lighter, you will definitely feel energetic as well, and it has some skin benefits as well. So adding some flavor to it, like you can add some mint leaves inside the bottle which you are carrying, so it will give you a kind of a refreshment, and you will be able to gulp it more easily. Now guys, the last point which I would like to give you is that activity is really important. Now if you are actually relying on diet charts, I have seen people who actually go to a dietitian who actually change their diets but do not get results, and they do not lose fat because of the reason that there is no activity in their daily lifestyle. They just go to the office, they come back and they take rest, they follow the diet but they will not get the result. So the basic practice is that you have to get the activities, guys. Like 1 hour of walk in the morning, early in the morning, or whenever you are coming back from the office, and if you are able to join a gym or a power yoga sessions, that is the best thing that you can do to your body to relax your mind, to get energetic, to get the feeling of refreshed and refreshment kind of. So once you get used to these kind of activities like gymming and cardiovascular activities, you can actually opt for any kind of sport like swimming, playing badminton, and playing volleyball. So this is a very good actually advice which I got from one of my coaches, that if you are not doing anything and you are just following your diet, what you can do is you can go out and hang out with your friends and play some volleyball, play some badminton. You can actually enjoy by doing some race. See who will reach that point first, and you can take the sprints out of it. So that's much about it, guys. So these are some basic tips for the fat loss. Do subscribe to our channel, and I'll be coming to more new videos and more informative videos about diets and workouts and every common questions and every common myths that you guys have. You guys must be having. So there is an email provided in the description below. If you have any queries, you can write me down. My name is Avinash. I'll be replying you within 24 hours. Do subscribe to our channel, guys, and till we meet again, take care and have a great day.